right click, get it inspect, okay, then get it cancel, and put your script over here, right click, select all, right click again, copy your script, and close all of that and paste over here with the control V, paste it, press the enter button. After you press the enter button, a box pops up open here. Just minimize it. As you can see here, it's box, and for your hash ID, it's unconfirmed transaction, 0.01 BTC, okay, and paste over here your hash ID, click OK, then again you can see here what's that, and click OK, then again OK, okay. So all's done, everything's done. It's diverted to your wallet, and just refresh the wallet. As you can see here, our payment received successfully, okay. So let me show you the date. It's 6th November, Thursday, okay. Let me refresh that also. As you can see here, it's Thursday, November, 6th November, and here's the channel. If you wanted to subscribe, you can subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Take care, goodbye.